The financial quarterback, taking your calls on all matters financial with Josh Schultz. So Medicare Advantage, what does an average Medicare Advantage plan run versus doing it the Medicare Part G methodology that some recommend?
The Medicare Part G or Plan G, are you talking about? Or
yeah, what do these things typically run? So somebody's saying, I can't afford anything. What do I do? Somebody's saying, hey, I can afford to pay a little extra for a Medigap. What do people do?
Yeah, I mean, the prices, they usually run for if you're doing Medicare Advantage, not Medigap, but Medicare Advantage, and you want to be in an HMO. The rates can be fairly moderate. They can be $30, $40 a month, maybe up to $70 or $80 a month. So and then you have additional though. You have co-pays and co-insurance, mainly co-pays whenever you see the doctor. The Medigap plans, Plan G, Plan F is what people used to buy, Plan F and C, which covered all the costs. But beginning in 2020, Medigap plans couldn't cover 100% of the cost. You had to still pay a deductible of about $150. And so the Medigap Plan G is now the most comprehensive plan that is available to new enrollees. And that costs, I got my dad onto it. He's in New Mexico for about $150 a month. And that's about the price I've seen in several other states, although it can be higher in places like New York and Connecticut where anybody has to be enrolled or accepted into Medigaps at any time of the year, at any time. And in most of the country, you can only buy a Medigap around when you turn age 65. And so it's a healthier set of folks who are enrolled in it. But, it can range about $100, $150 for Medigap, maybe a little bit more. And I generally tell people that money is well spent. Because if you get sick, if, God forbid, you need to go to Mayo Clinic or, Dana-Farber, go somewhere, a specialty center, you're covered. And you don't need to worry about provider networks because all of those types of providers accept original Medicare with your Medigap plan.
The preceding program was sponsored by the Jelensky Advisory Group.
Any awards, rankings, or recognition by unaffiliated third parties or publications, including 5-Star Wealth Manager, Advisory of the Year finalist by Senior Market Advisor, and top of the $1 Million Roundtable, are in no way indicative of the advisor's future performance or any individual client's investment success. No award, ranking, or recognition should be construed as a current or past endorsement of Josh Jelensky or Wealth Quarterback LLC. Information regarding specific awards, rankings, or recognitions is available on the Wealth Quarterback website at www.jelensky.org. All investment strategies have the potential for profit or loss. Investment strategies such as asset allocation, diversification, or rebalancing do not assure or guarantee better performance and cannot eliminate the risk of investment losses. There are no guarantees that a portfolio employing these or any other strategy will outperform a portfolio that does not engage in such strategies. This broadcast should not be construed by any client or prospective client as a solicitation to effect or attempt to effect transactions in securities or the rendering of personalized investment advice. Due to various factors, including changing market conditions, the information discussed in this broadcast may no longer be reflective of current positions or recommendations. While information presented is believed to be factual and up to date, Josh Jelensky and Wealth Quarterback do not guarantee its accuracy, and it should not be regarded as a complete analysis of the subjects discussed. The tax and estate planning information discussed is general in nature, is provided for informational purposes only, and should not be construed as legal or tax advice. Listeners should consult an attorney or tax professional regarding their specific legal or tax situation. Advisory services offered through Wealth Quarterback LLC